If you're looking for the best light truck tires in 2025, you've come to the right place. In this video, we've compiled the top 5 light truck tires you can buy this year, focusing on performance, durability, comfort, and customer feedback. Whether you drive on highways, off-road trails, or a mix of both, these tires will help you get the job done in style and safety. All the product links are listed in the description below. Let's get started with today's picks. Number 1, Falken ZX STZ05. If you want a tire that balances year-round performance and ride comfort, the Falken ZX STZ05 is a fantastic choice for luxury SUVs and light trucks. Its 5-rib symmetric tread design delivers exceptional high-speed stability while also extending tread life through flexible tire rotation patterns. The wide shoulder blocks improve tread stiffness for maximum wet and dry handling, while the solid center rib enhances high-speed responsiveness. One standout feature is its noise-optimized shoulder lug grooves, which keep your ride impressively quiet, a major plus for daily drivers. This tire is ideal if you want both refined comfort and dependable grip. Number 2, Continental Terrain Contact AT. Need a tire that handles both the road and the trail? The Continental Terrain Contact AT is built for balanced on-road comfort and off-road traction. It features Traction Plus technology, giving you improved grip on wet roads, enhanced durability, and lower road noise for a more relaxed drive. With 60,000 miles of limited manufacturer tread life coverage, you're getting a tire designed to last. Whether you're towing, camping, or commuting, this tire delivers consistent performance without sacrificing comfort. Number 3, Continental Cross Contact LX25. If smooth handling and long tread life are top priorities, the Continental Cross Contact LX25 deserves your attention. This all-season radial tire offers crisp, confident handling and a load capacity of 1,000 years or 929 pounds, making it perfect for light trucks and SUVs. It's engineered for universal fitment, meaning it works with a wide variety of vehicles. On the road, drivers love how it blends comfort, stability, and responsiveness, especially in highway conditions. Number 4, Michelin Defender LTX MS. Michelin is known for premium tires, and the Defender LTX MS is one of their best offerings for light trucks. It uses EverTread compound technology, helping it last longer even in tough driving conditions. You also get shorter wet stopping distances and improved snow traction, a big win for all-season safety. Thanks to Michelin's Max Touch construction, this tire is optimized for even tread wear and improved fuel efficiency over its lifespan. It's a smart investment for anyone who wants both durability and cost savings in the long run. Number 5, Continental Terrain Contact HT. If you mostly stick to paved roads but still want versatility, the Continental Terrain Contact HT is a great pick. It offers up to 70,000 miles of tread life coverage, Traction Plus technology for reliable wet road grip, and shorter braking distances in rainy conditions. The tire is designed for year-round use, providing a quiet, comfortable ride along with rugged durability. This makes it a great choice for light truck owners who value smooth highway comfort without giving up strength. That wraps up our top 5 light truck tires for 2025. All of the product links are listed in the description below for your convenience. We upload videos every day, so don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest reviews and buyer's guides. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.